Using PayPal Credit in-store is a convenient way to make purchases if you prefer to shop without using a regular credit or debit card. Here's how to use it. Link PayPal Credit to your PayPal account. Make sure your PayPal Credit account is linked to your PayPal account. You can apply for PayPal Credit through your PayPal account if you haven't already. Use PayPal at checkout. When shopping at stores that accept PayPal, select PayPal as your payment method during checkout. This can be done either via QR code scanning or through the PayPal app. Choose PayPal Credit at Payment. At checkout, after selecting PayPal, you'll be prompted to choose your payment method. Choose PayPal Credit as your funding source. Complete payment. Follow the prompts to complete your payment. You may need to confirm the payment via your PayPal account. Monthly payments. With PayPal Credit, you can pay for purchases over time, subject to interest rates and your approved credit limit. Payments can be made through the PayPal website or mobile app. In-store QR code. Some stores allow you to pay via a QR code. Simply scan the code with the PayPal app and select PayPal Credit as your payment method.